Scary story videos are absolutely blowing up right now on YouTube and TikTok. These short, eerie clips, built around dark conspiracies, mysterious figures, and unsettling real-world events, are pulling millions of views every single week. And here's the crazy part. One channel started just a few months ago and it's already hitting nearly 200,000 subscribers. But listen, it's not just the stories. The real secret lies in how these stories are told. It's the combination of dark cartoon visuals, spine-chilling narration, and that deep immersive atmosphere that hooks viewers within seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create scary story videos like those, step by step, using free tools. Step 1. Finding the perfect video idea. Before you even touch editing software, you need a strong idea. Because without a powerful concept, your video will get lost in the noise. To make that easier, I've put together a Google document filled with ready-to-use prompts designed specifically for this niche, including ideas, titles, and even script templates. You'll find the link down in the description. Open the document, scroll to the section labeled Video Idea Prompts, and copy one of them. Now head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt directly into the chat, but make one quick tweak. At the end of the prompt, type how many ideas you want it to generate. Hit Enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a full list of scary story video ideas tailor-made for this niche. Take your time and go through them carefully. Pick the one that immediately makes your brain go, "That's it." That spark of curiosity is a sign your audience will feel it too. Because this, right here, is where viral content begins. Step 2. Writing the script. Once you've chosen your idea, it's time to turn it into a story. Go back to the Google document and copy the script prompt. Return to ChatGPT, paste it in, and simply replace the placeholder with the number of your chosen idea. For example, I'll use idea number 4 for this tutorial. Now hit Enter. And in just a few moments, ChatGPT will generate a full, eerie, cinematic script customized to your idea. Here's an important tip. Don't just copy-paste AI-generated scripts directly into your videos. YouTube's detection systems are getting smarter, and fully AI-written content can hurt your monetization chances. Instead, treat the script as your foundation. Add your tone, adjust the pacing, rewrite a few lines in your own voice. Or better, train ChatGPT to mimic your writing style by feeding it examples of your previous scripts. That way, every story sounds authentically yours while still saving hours of time. This is how top creators are producing high-quality scary stories at scale without burning out. Step 3. Creating the voiceover. Almost everyone can create an AI voice, so don't show the process of creating AI voice. If you don't know how to create AI voice, just simply search on YouTube. Step 4. Generating visuals. Like dark cartoon style, this is where most scary story videos stand out, the visuals. We'll be creating dark, cinematic cartoon images that pull viewers straight into the story. Go back to the Google document, save the sample reference image, or take a quick screenshot. This will be our visual guide. Underneath that image, copy the image generation prompt provided. Now, return to ChatGPT. First, upload the reference image you saved. Then paste the image prompt and hit Enter. In seconds, ChatGPT will give you detailed, ready-to-use prompts to create visuals that match this exact dark cartoon aesthetic. Now it's time to generate them. Head to Kling AI, paste one of the image prompts, and press Enter. Kling AI will start creating your image in that eerie cinematic style. Repeat this for all your scenes, and soon you'll have a folder full of haunting, story-perfect visuals. Save everything to your device. These are your story's world. Now you've got your voice, your visuals, time to put it all together. Step 6. Editing everything in CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all your generated images and your voiceover. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Stretch each clip to remove black borders or watermarks. Next, drag your voiceover onto the timeline. Trim any pauses or awkward cuts so the narration flows seamlessly. Now, sync your images to match key story moments. Next, let's add captions. Click on Text, Auto Captions, pick your favorite style, and hit Generate. Once done, resize and position them neatly. Over 40% of TikTok users prefer videos with captions. It massively boosts engagement and retention. Preview your full video. If everything feels smooth and balanced, click Export. Now your professional, eerie short is ready to post. Imagine dropping a short like this on YouTube or TikTok tonight. This is exactly how those viral scary story creators are growing, fast. And yes, your first few videos might not be perfect. Some will flop, others will surprise you. But remember, every big creator started exactly here. They didn't blow up because of one viral video. They grew because they kept improving, one upload at a time. The tools I showed you today, ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Kling AI, and CapCut, will evolve. In 6 months, there might be even better options, but the core principles will always stay the same: compelling storytelling, high-quality visuals, and creating emotion your audience can feel. Most people try once, fail, and quit. But the ones who make it, the ones who really blow up, are the ones who get feedback, community, and proven examples to learn from. That's exactly what we're doing inside my creator community, sharing tested niches, high-performing prompts, and real-world workflows that actually drive growth. If you're serious about turning your scary story ideas into a fast-growing channel, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.